Hey guys, David Steenkamp here, video number 39. All I want to do in this video is go over how you can edit a post that you've already published on your WordPress site. So let's just go into one of these last ones that we worked with. So I just want to show you a couple different things that you can do right from the All Posts page right here, or All Posts section. So what you can do is you can click on Edit, and yeah, that'll take you to, all the different options that you can change, right? And there's like tons of stuff in here, but we'll get back there in a second. But I want to show you something kind of neat, and that is the quick edit. So if you just hover over it, like anywhere in the post row here, you can click on this thing called quick edit. So what you can do is right here within the same page is you can quickly edit the title. You can quickly edit the slug, and the slug is just the URL name. So if you go to that scheduled post, I'll show you what that means, is right here in the actual link. So right here, see it says scheduled-post. We can change that in the slug area to be scheduled-post- yeah. See, and then if I press update and go back to the home page, click the link. See, now you see that the link right here has changed. So that's what the slug is. It's the actual URL or link, whatever you want to call it. So I should probably change that back. Not that it matters. It's a fake website anyhow. So yeah, and you can even do things like schedule for the future. So if I wanted to actually make this come out tomorrow, I could change, this is the month here, this is the date, so I could change this to 23, and then I could press update. So let's do that just for fun. Okay, and now you see that its status here under the date column has changed from published to scheduled because I changed the date. So again, I'm going to just switch this back 22. You can change the author, whoever you want it to be, and that goes by the people that are in your users section. You can password protect it, the actual post itself, or you can make it private so that only people that have the link to the post will be able to view that. Let's see what else. You can change the tags, you can change the categories. The only thing is you can't add new categories here. So if you need to add a new category, you got to click on the actual edit button, like how this one has right here. You can change whether there's comments allowed, whether there's pings allowed, and you can change the status. So I'm just going to change it back to published, even though I changed this date back, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to click on update. Alright, so let's just go back to the home page one more time, refresh it, make sure that my link is back up to date to not have the yeehaw in it. So just click on it. There you go. So you see it's back to normal now. Okay, so that's the quick edit section. And then the edit section, if we want to edit anything in our post, just simply click on edit, go into the visual right here, or the text area, and make any of the edits that you need to make within the body. If you need to change the title, there you go. You can change the title. It's funny, they call it a slug in the quick edit, but here they call it the permalink. So permalink, slug, they're like interchangeable terms. So if you want to change this to reflect the title that I'm putting in, or to be the same, just change it as you need, and then click this OK button. Alright. If you want to change the visibility of your post, you can click here, and the different options are public, and then you have a checkbox if you want to stick it to the front page, so you can try that out. Experiment with this. It might work differently depending on the theme that you're using, but try it out. Don't try it. See how it works for your particular theme. You can password protect the page, which I've actually used with clients before when I'm testing, certain functionalities of, like a plugin or something, and I'll put it on a password protected page, so just me and the client can do the testing on it. So then you just there's one of my old passwords that I've used. Let me in, and you can do that. Or you can make the page private, which, as I explained earlier, is so only whoever has the link to that page is able to actually find it. But I'm going to keep mine public and just click OK. Alright. Let's see. Here you can change the status. So if you want to change it to pending review, so maybe you need to have someone else look at it that's a user. Maybe you have like a editor or you know, an author. I think an author can do it too. Then you can just change it to that, and then they can publish it for you later. Same thing with a draft. It kind of works the same way. So, but I'm going to leave mine as published. You can change your categories, so maybe you don't want it actually to be featured on the homepage anymore. Uncheck it, click update, right? I'm just going to leave mine again. Add in new categories here, add in new tags here, delete tags here. There's all sorts of things you can do in this section. So let's see, what else is there? Custom fields. I'm not even going to get into custom fields. If you do have a theme that supports the custom fields, it'll probably be explained how to use them exactly. If you have any questions with them, just contact the person that provided you with your theme. Because I know the elegant themes people, the one that I'm using here for this boutique, they have different things that you can use in the custom fields, but I don't ever really find myself needing to use them all that much. But yeah, that's for like a whole other video series. Basically, you do another series on like how to do custom fields and how to work with them, customize them. Scrolling down a little bit more, I got discussion. So this is where you can allow or disable comments just by unchecking that. So let's do that. I'm going to disable comments, and then this is allow trackbacks and pingbacks on this page. If you want to read more about those, just click on the link there. And then comments, this is where it would show any comments if I did have any. And again, if you don't see any of these options I was just going over, click on this screen options tab, and it says right here, show on screen, what do you want to see? So if something is unchecked, then you won't see it. So, you know, here's the slug again, the author. Here, I'll just show everything. So I'll just go back down real quick. And let's see, where's that other stuff? So slug, right here. Just going to pause the video for a second. Hey, sorry about that, guys. I just had a phone call trying to sell me and my wife are trying to sell our condo here. So yeah, lots of realtors calling. Okay, so where were we? All right. So I had just activated the slug and author section of the screen options. So you can also see the slug here. So see how I got it right there, scheduled post thinger, and then you can choose your author. And again, that's based on whoever you have in your users section. So I'm just going to click on update. Okay. I'm going to go back to the home page because this won't actually change. If I just refresh this page, that's not going to change the link because it's still looking for this exact link when I press refresh. So when I do this, I'll probably get an error or some sort of page not found. Holy crap, I didn't. Okay, WordPress is even more advanced than I thought it was. Because I think in the past, I used to have to go back, you know, to like my blog section, or I'd have to go back to the home page and find another way to click on this. So there you go. Wow, that is advanced. So yeah, so that's how you can modify your slug, the link of your website, or if you need to change the title, just go ahead, go right in here, change it. Super, super easy. Alright, I'm going to cut this video out. I got an appointment I should probably be going to. I'm almost late. But anyways, when I do get back, the next video, let's see, I think I'd like to do just how to insert a photo into a post. And I know I kind of touched on, I think I touched on this a little earlier, but for anybody that's just going through, you know, specific videos, like, you know, picking video number 28 and then video number 46 and video number 3. I want to be able to just kind of have everything. I don't know. Maybe redundancy is is good. So if you already know how to insert photos, skip the next video. But if you don't, then you know what? Maybe you're not even watching this one. So I'm just going to shut up and take off to my appointment, and then I'll come back and I'll do a few more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.